You're sitting across from her, candlelight, soft music, 2 drinks already in. You're doing everything right. Listening, smiling, asking thoughtful questions. You're calm, respectful, attentive. And yet, something feels off. Her smile doesn't quite reach her eyes. Her body is angled away just enough. She checks her phone, not urgently, but casually, like she already knows how this ends. You tell yourself it's nerves. You tell yourself attraction takes time. You tell yourself to just keep going. But deep down, brother, you feel it. This isn't building, it's decaying. And what I'm about to tell you will dismantle everything you were taught about dating and replace it with something colder, calmer, and far more honest. All men are raised with the same lie. Be kind, be consistent, be impressive, be agreeable. And on the first date, perform that perfectly. But here's the betrayal. Attraction does not respond to effort. It responds to emotional signal. Every woman decides how she feels about you before the date is halfway over. Sometimes before the drinks arrive. Not consciously, biologically. You were told attraction is something you earn. In reality, it's something you either activate or kill. And most men kill it, politely. Attraction isn't romantic, it's neurological. Every woman's brain is running a silent scan, a hardwired program refined by thousands of years of evolution. She's not asking, is he nice? She's asking, is he regulated? Is he self-directed? Does he move through the world without needing permission? Her nervous system reads you before her mind ever forms an opinion. Dopamine responds to uncertainty. Safety responds to emotional steadiness. Desire responds to polarity. You cannot negotiate with brain chemistry. Let me explain how it actually works. When you try too hard, you spike your anxiety. She feels it as instability. Her dopamine drops. Attraction collapses. When you over-explain, you signal low internal value. Her subconscious flags it as neediness. When you fill silence, you rob her nervous system of curiosity. This is not personal, it's mechanical. Attraction emerges when you are emotionally contained, you are outcome independent, you are comfortable losing her interest. That calm is interpreted as value. Here are the signals: clinical, observable, undeniable. She mirrors less over time. Her laughter becomes delayed. Questions stop flowing back to you. Compliments feel polite, not charged. The conversation feels safe, but flat. Case study 1. A man talks for 5 minutes about his career. He thinks he's showing ambition. She hears justification. Case study 2. A man agrees with everything she says. He thinks he's being respectful. She feels no polarity. Case study 3. A man compliments her early and often. She feels seen, but not stirred. This wasn't your fault. Modern culture trained men to confuse respect with attraction, validation with desire, compliance with masculinity. Dating apps turned attention into currency. Social conditioning punished male certainty. Romantic narratives rewarded effort over presence. So men learned to present themselves instead of inhabiting themselves. And attraction doesn't respond to presentation, it responds to being. Eventually, something breaks. You start asking, what am I doing wrong? You replay conversations. You adjust behavior. You try harder. And every rejection cuts deeper because you were trying to be good. Resentment creeps in. Confidence erodes. The nervous system tightens. This is how men become bitter, not because they're rejected, but because they were lied to. Here it is. You cannot make a woman feel attraction. You can only allow it or prevent it. Being liked is not enough. Being respected is not enough. Attraction responds to emotional self-sufficiency, calm authority, willingness to walk away. Approval seeking is detected instantly, and it is always punished. Not maliciously, biologically. So what do? You stop auditioning. On the first date, you observe more than you perform. You speak when you have something to say. You allow silence. You let her reactions exist without managing them. Your job is not to impress. It is to remain grounded. Attraction is a byproduct of a man who does not abandon himself. And paradoxically, the moment you no longer need her interest is the moment it has space to grow. This isn't a tactic, it's an awakening.